The Department of Education Schools, Manipur, has announced that all schools in the state will remain closed on the 5th and 6th of July 2024. This decision is due to the rising river levels and subsequent flooding caused by incessant rain, which has affected many households and installations across the state. The closure applies to government-aided, private and central schools. Zonal education officers and DI of schools have been instructed to inform all concerned and take necessary actions. At least 2 people died after drowning in the Senapati district in Manipur, officials said. The state government announced that schools will remain closed until Saturday due to the flood situation. According to a senior official, River Imphal breached its embankment at Singjamai Oinam Thingel in Imphal West and River Kongba at Kongba Irong and parts of Kairao in Imphal East. The overflow of these 2 significant rivers have broken through embankments, resulting in the evacuation of more than 2,000 residents in Manipur. The overflowing of River Imphal has inundated localities in Singjamai and Langthabal Assembly constituencies in Imphal West, while water from the Iril River submerged many habitations in Ketrigao and Wangkai Assembly constituencies in Imphal East. Moreover, several areas still inundated, including the Imphal East DC office, Modern College and the Porompat police station along the Porompat DC road. The heavy rains have caused significant disruptions affecting local infrastructure and daily operations in these key locations.